guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install EMD Auto's pure carbon spoiler for the Audi S3 face. A couple things you're going to need: a heat gun, some IPA or rubbing alcohol, permanent marker, tape, some prying tools, glue gun, some floss, and obviously your spoiler. So I'm going to start off by taping around the spoiler so that when we heat it up with the heat gun, it won't damage any paint. So now we got all the paint around the spoiler all taped up. It's time to heat up the spoiler to kind of loosen up that adhesive so you can pry this off just because it's being held on by 3M tape. With our floss to get it underneath the spoiler to kind of cut through the adhesive that's underneath. Alright, so after a lot of heating, a lot of flossing, we finally got the spoiler loose. So this is a stock spoiler. There is still a bunch of glue and a bunch of adhesives left on here. So the next step is to use our glue gun to get all this stuff out. So there's the leftover adhesive that we're gonna have to maybe heat up again. Now that we got the big chunks of adhesive off, we're going to go in with our glue gun to kind of get the last bit of residue off. Okay, now that we got all the rest of the adhesive off, I'm going to go over it again with some IPA to kind of clean off any leftover residue that was left behind by the glue gun. So that's what it looks like with no lip. Not much of a difference. And what this does is it gives you a clean surface. It strips off any residue, any wax, and it just gives you an entirely clean surface so that the new 3M can bond to the surface as best as it can. Okay, so now that we have the surface all wiped up, ready to go, now we're going to take our spoiler and line it up to where we want it to go. Now before all this, I actually did get my spoiler wrapped, just in a Clearmount Expel Ultimate, because why not? You know, I wouldn't want to waste all that money on carbon fiber parts only for it to crack by a piece of hail or a rock that flies over. So now we want to test fit it exactly where we want it. Slide that over just a bit. And then we'll get pieces of tape here and mark it off. I'll show you why I'm doing this in a sec. You want to go ahead and grab a permanent marker and kind of just draw a line right through. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to be ripping them apart, and then that's going to be our markers where we're going to want to line up, just so we get the spoiler exactly where we want it. Okay, so now that we have our markers, we are ready to get this on. I will just give this one more wipe, get rid of any dirt, dust, so we have a nice clean surface to work with. So this spoiler comes with the 3M tape wrapped all the way around, so thank you EMD Auto for doing that. So now we're going to take our markers that we drew up and we're going to line them up. Make sure that's up. And there we go, guys. That's how I install a spoiler. Give you guys a look. So we lined up our markers. And there we have it. That is EMD Auto's pure carbon spoiler, guys. Super happy with the fitment. Very nice and precise. God, it looks good. And there we have it, guys.